Welcome to Mint Smartwash, a state-of-the-art high-volume express tunnel car wash. Our main goal is to ensure exceptionally clean, dry, and shiny vehicles in 5 minutes or less, providing a superior customer experience throughout your visit. When you arrive, you'll be directed down our stacking lanes, where you'll be greeted by one of our friendly shine geniuses to help guide you through our wash menu. In addition to our wash packages, you can join our Club Mint Unlimited Wash program at an affordable monthly price. We also have family plans where you can save further by adding additional vehicles from your household, as well as gift cards, wash cards, and fleet options for companies. Upon enrollment into the Club Mint program, an RFID decal will be placed on the inside of your windshield. That way you can quickly access our dedicated Club Mint Express lane. Once you reach the conveyor landing area, you'll be guided by one of our shine geniuses with recommendations to prepare you and your vehicle for the Mint Smartwash experience. The conveyor rollers will then be activated, and you'll be ready to sit back, relax, and let us refresh your ride. As you're pulled through our express tunnel, our cutting-edge equipment will soak, scrub, polish, and dry your vehicle so you come out of the exit both looking and feeling mint. Protection of the environment is very important to us. We use the highest quality environmentally friendly soaps, polishes, and waxes. We also recycle up to 80% of the water used in our wash process. Before leaving, you can also use one of our free vacuum stalls, free mat washing stations, or complimentary towel service. At many of our locations, we even have air chucks fixed to each of our vacuum stalls for topping off your tires or blowing out your vehicle's dashboards and vents. We're open every day of the week for your convenience. We look forward to you stopping by to get epic shine while saving time and feeling mint.